What's up everyone? My name is Tony Reed. I'm Director of Culinary at Spiceology, and today I'm going to show you how to pan sear and butter baste a tri-tip strip steak. Feel free to use any type of pan that you have. And these are smaller cuts of protein. We're gonna do it in a pan from start to finish. We'll get a nice crust. I always like to get my beef up to room temperature before I get it into the pan. I've been letting this sit for about 30 minutes. But I'm gonna get our induction burner up to max sear. Salt the outside edges. Time to sear. When you're using your burners at home, make sure that you have the burner in the middle of the pan, and then place your steak over the top of where the burner is at, because that's where the maximum amount of heat's gonna be. We're gonna just sear for about a minute or two on each side. And then what we'll do is we'll start to apply the butter and baste. These are awesome weights for your steak, kind of like a bacon press. So I like to push these on there. It creates a more even crust from on each side of the steak. So you can see that crust here. That's exactly what we're looking for. So we'll flip it over. We'll want to turn the heat down significantly. So I always like to take a little sprig of thyme, kind of lay it over the top of the steaks. So we'll drop our butter in. We'll put the butter on top of the steaks, and we'll start to baste by letting the butter melt. So we'll want to do this for about another minute to 2 minutes. So we'll take this out of the pan. We'll let it rest for about 10 minutes. After you take it off the heat, it's still going to be cooking. And so if you give it 5 to 10 minutes, it can actually raise the temperature of inside the steak. Enjoy. Crispy outside, juicy inside. Thank you.